Welcome to the magical jungle where our story unfolds. Meet Momo, the mischievous monkey, and his friends. This is Momo, a curious little monkey who loves to explore and play pranks on his jungle friends. One day, Momo's playful nature gets him into trouble when he plays a prank on Tito the turtle. Tito teaches Momo the importance of kindness and thinking about others' feelings. Momo learns a valuable lesson about friendship. Together with his friends, Momo sets off on a thrilling adventure to find the legendary banana tree that grants wishes.